So, ayan people. So, many people around the universe na naman tayo. So, maulan na naman siya, guys. Hindi maganda na naman yung ating panahon. Ayan. Tingnan mo nakailera sila doon. Maraming. Sana all. Andun yung school nila mga senior highline ngayon. O, diba? So, ganyan natin. Still raining outside the door. Outside the Colombo. So, yan. So, marami din kumakain dito. Marami din umuwi na. And dahil sa ulan. Gawin ko lang kung kanselado na yung So guys, 1 minute na tayo. Ayan, marami people. So yan, maraming studinors. Wala kasi yung mga natin, mga people dito. So ano pa yan, di ba? Maraming vitamins. So many vitamins and minerals outside the door. Ayan yung school. Andun yung school na iba. Ayun. So ayan guys, still raining. Alright. So ayan, maraming senior line na naman. Nagsipag-uwi na yung iba dahil maulan daw. So that's it for now guys, babu. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, and of course click the notification bell for more updates. Love you all.